Hello guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Today is the Boxing Day, next day from the Christmas. I have to come to finish some jobs because the customer they needed their phone. So I have got a iPhone 7 Plus here, which the 7 and 7 Plus, the problem with the audio IC. Uh, Audio IC is replaced, but still there is no sound from the ear speaker. So because I have fixed this sort of problem few times, so I thought why not share with you guys. So audio IC is replaced. So once the audio IC is replaced, you know, the speaker icon, it will be accessible and highlighted, because if the audio IC is not working, there is no sound outgoing or incoming from the speaker, from the mic, and from the ear speaker. But once the audio IC is replaced, you will see the other party can hear, and you will get the sound from the speaker, but you won't be able to hear the other party. So don't think that you have done anything wrong. The audio IC, once the audio IC is successfully replaced and phone turned on, and you see the speaker icon is highlighted, that means audio IC replacement is successful. But if you still not able to hear from the ear speaker, that is something else, that is other problem. So I will show you here. Okay, so if you have already, oh sorry, I think I have to, yeah, okay, I'm on the right place. So anyway, so if you have replaced this u3101 audio IC successfully, but still you are having the problem, then you have to look at u3301 as well, which is speaker ramp P2LX. This is the line what I'm talking about. So I will show you here this one. See this one here. Okay, so see the audio IC is already been replaced. So if I make a, can you see? Okay, let's turn this off. So let's make a call, and I will bring it a little bit closer to the mic, so you will hear. See, I'm dialing, so that means that speaker is working. So if I dial, let's dial and put it on speaker.
We didn't recognize the
Speaker is working.
Please check it and try.
So let's try again, but there is no sound from ear speaker because I'm bringing it closer to the mic. See, no sound. Okay. So, but by finding out this, see, if I dial again, see, this is speaker, this is highlighted. If it's not highlighted, you won't be able to use it. So grayed out, so that means audio IC. So audio IC, this I have already replaced the audio IC on this one. So the next one which we will be looking at is, okay, when you encounter this problem, first of all, always look at this line here. There are five actually capacitor in this line, and the line is PP speaker to V boost. So first of all, you have to look at these 4 or 5 capacitors, which is this one here, which is C3324, C3325, C3306, and the line is the same, which is PP speaker to V boost line. Okay, so either one of these speakers, one of these capacitors are shorted, something wrong. If not, then you have to replace this u3301 earphone speaker IC. So here, so I will turn it off now. We'll just remove the battery, and So today is Boxing Days, guys, and the Boxing Days, how it was started centuries ago. The rich people, they used to give gifts to their servants or poor people, and they pack it in the boxes to give it to them. So from that time, they started calling as like Boxing Day, like box is given, Box Day. So we don't get boxes gifts from rich peoples anyway, but we can go and shop, pay money to the bigger stores. So that is what the Boxing Day history is. So I have to remove the SIM from this phone. Okay, so I will put you here now. Okay. There you go. So I'll put this cable side here. Okay, I will show you I have already replaced the audio IC, which is a little bit here. So you can see the flux. I have to put your microscope here. Where is it? Is it working? So as you can see, the flux is still there. Oh, come on, stop this. Because microscope, because I don't know why it started like shaking like this. Even though it's on very stable table, sitting on very stable table, but anyway, so this is what I have already replaced, which the audio IC, the main common one, but still no sound from the ear speaker. So for that we have to that other audio IC, speaker IC, is just by the processor, so we have to remove the plate. So we will remove the metal plate, put it here like this. Okay, I will set the temperature, and then we will see what is we can find underneath there. So anyway, can you see? Yep. Okay. Okay. So this is removed. Now look, we will do an examination under the microscope. So now we will just do a little bit of examination under the microscope. First of all, so I know from my previous repairs, this is the air speaker line, which is PP speaker 2 V boost. So this is C3324. So let's look here now. Okay, yeah, look under the microscope. Okay, so this is the IC here. which is u3301. So just there u3301, which is very close to the processor u3301, and this is the line I'm talking about. This line here, which is air speaker line. I will just here and then look closer. Okay. Okay.
That was just what she was complaining about coming in and out. There's a weak spot where she was, so it might have just been there.
Mm.
It does normal kind of work. But then all of a sudden it just came up with that message.
Okay.
The
So
road system was
this phone is liquid damage. Okay, as you can see, guys, here, this is all looks sort of liquid here, as you can see. This one, especially this one here. So let's check if we find any short. Oh, sorry, what the hell. So let's check if this line is shorted. Okay, so yep. So as I was expecting, the line is shorted. Okay, so the next thing we have to do, look at out of I would like to, I think this is also on the same line, which is under here. Let's look here if it's on the same line. This one here, which is, yep. So I will remove that sort of glue as well to check if I can find okay, let's remove that. So now we will remove that protective glue here, because this cap is also on the same line. Why I'm removing this is because I would like to see which one by physical examination is look more damage. So this one is looks okay to me. Oh, come on, man. So anyway, we will now look here in the microscope. As you can see, that this one here, which is C3308, C3308, I can see a little bit of green stuff here. So C3308, and then the next one is C3306. These both look, it could be U33, what's the part number on the IC? U3301. It could be U3301, which is this IC here, which is shorted. But I would like to remove, first of all, this cap here, and then see how it goes. You never know, but usually it's for me, I'm not lucky enough. For me, it's never the first capacitor which I remove, but let's try. So let's put little bit of flux here. I don't, like I have seen in some videos, they are knocking off the caps. I don't do that, so I just remove it nicely, because you never know, you can break the pairs and you might need it to resolder another one. So as you can see, The first one, which looks like it's could be the one which is causing the problem, is this one here, because the top end, this shiny part is rusted and I see a little bit of green stuff because of the liquid damage. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on, yep. Okay. Let's put it here. Come on. Leave me. Okay. Okay, still there is a, I think I have to give it a little bit of isopropyl clean here as well, but anyway. Now the next thing I will be looking, if this is the one which was causing the problem. Come on, be this one, please. No, this is not the one. Okay, let's try the next one. Let's check this. No, this is not the one. Okay, mate, the next one, which is looks like more sort of damage, is C3306. Okay, and this is all covered in sort of this glue. Why I'm not I'm never lucky. I have seen so many videos. The first one they take out is the one they were suspecting, but for me it's not. So this is the next one, looks like. Okay, to put little bit of lux and then I will remove it. Oh yeah, come on. So this is removed. Now I would like to give it a little bit of isopropyl clean, because you never know. There was that green stuff that is okay. I will get some cotton bud and give it a clean here. Okay, so now let's blow this away. Hmm. Okay, please. I have to go and do some shopping. Okay. No shot. Okay, let's look here. Okay, mate. So this is how it looks like now. So okay. Let's see. See. No, it's shorted. No, oh, it was touching. So this is the speaker line. This is ground. This one is ground. Okay. This one is ground, this one is line, so short is gone. Where is that capacitor? I don't need it anyway. So the next thing is, I'll just leave it like that. Maybe pull that out because of the heat. It's stretched. Okay, this is little bit gone out anyway. Okay guys, so let's I will put you here. So we will check, hopefully it should be working now. Will it? I think so. Unless it's not my another not lucky day again. So okay, I will put charging port first and antenna here and here. That's right. Okay, we don't need camera connectors, but let's still do it. Okay, and on off button. Anything else? Okay, so first of all, okay, and let's put battery and of course the same. Come on man, hurry up. Yep, not good. Okay, the phone was not big charged. Let's charge and check it. Is it charging? Oh yeah, again the battery thingy was not correctly installed. Remove it here. Okay, come on. So what do you think guys, it's gonna work, not gonna work? The short is not there anymore, and that was the most common speaker line, which is speaker V boost line. We have removed capacitor C3324 and C3306 anyway, so this is now on. Okay, searching for network. Okay, so let's make a call out now and check. So let's try. Yep, so it's all working now. Okay mate, so guys, thank you very much for watching. So you should know how to sort out even if after replacing the main sound OC, if the ear speaker is still not working, so you have to look at the other speaker IC as well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.